Hey friends, if you wish to use multi-page orientation, landscape orientation in Google Docs, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So for a single page landscape orientation, or for a single paragraph, just select that text, right click on it and select change page to landscape. Okay. So this is what happens. You will only see that over the page and you can see that the size is a little different. Okay. So this is one thing. I will revert the changes. But if you want to do it for the entire document, then click on File, select Page Setup, and then say Apply to whole document and click on Landscape and click on OK. As you can see, now it shows it in the landscape mode. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.